Are you tired of missing that winning moment because your gaming mouse couldn't respond fast enough? In 2026, a high-performance gaming mouse isn't just another accessory, it's the difference between dominating the lobby and getting sent back to the respawn screen. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your go-to destination for the smartest, sharpest, and most reliable tech gear designed to give you the edge where it matters most. Today, we're counting down the top 3 best gaming mice of 2026, each one handpicked for its precision, comfort, speed, and competitive level performance. Whether you're grinding ranked matches, competing in esports, or just want a mouse that makes every click count, this list is going to help you choose a mouse that actually keeps up with your skill. All Amazon links are in the description below, so you can check prices and reviews anytime. Let's jump right in. Number 3. Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. The Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 is the perfect example of how small, meaningful upgrades can elevate an already legendary esports mouse. While the design remains familiar, lightweight, sleek, and optimized for multiple grip styles, it still delivers a premium feel that competitive players trust. Coming in at around 60 grams, its ultra-lightweight body ensures fast flicks, smooth tracking, and effortless motion during long gaming sessions without causing fatigue. What makes the Superlight 2 truly shine are its internal upgrades. Logitech's new Hero 2 sensor now supports up to 44,000 DPI, giving you unmatched precision even during the most chaotic teamfights. Combined with an 8,000 Hz polling rate, every movement is captured instantly, making it ideal for high-speed competitive gameplay. The hybrid Lightforce optical mechanical switches provide crisp, fast actuation with the durability of optical technology. No double-click issues, no latency, just pure responsiveness. Add in USB-C charging, a smooth glide, and an impressive 95-hour battery life, and you get a mouse built for serious performance. While it doesn't have flashy RGB or a drastic redesign, the Superlight 2 focuses on what truly matters: consistency, control, and competitive precision. Best for esports players who want ultralight performance with zero compromise. Downside, the lack of RGB or design changes may feel too simple for some users. Number 2. Asus ROG Chakram X. The Asus ROG Chakram X is one of the most feature-rich gaming mice you can buy in 2026, built for gamers who want deep customization and next-level versatility. Right away, the standout feature is its programmable joystick on the side, a unique addition that gives you analog or digital control options perfect for flight games, MOBAs, racing titles, or even macro-heavy FPS setups. You can swap the joystick for a taller stick, a shorter stick, or a flat cover depending on your playstyle. While some players may find its position slightly forward, those who adapt will find it incredibly powerful. Under the hood, the Chakram X uses a 36,000 DPI aim-point optical sensor, delivering crisp, precise tracking across all surfaces. With support for wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth, plus excellent battery life, it's one of the most flexible mice in its class. Thanks to Asus's hot swappable switch system, you can replace the main button switches without soldering, extending the mouse's lifespan and letting you fine-tune your click feel. At 127 grams, it's heavier than today's ultralight trend, but the premium build quality, smooth glide, and extensive controls make it exceptionally powerful for gamers who prefer features over weight reduction. Best for gamers who want customization, versatility, and a joystick for added control. Downside, heavier than most high-end esports mice, which may feel slow for fast-paced FPS. Number 1. Razer Viper V3 Pro. The Razer Viper V3 Pro takes the top spot because it represents peak competitive performance in 2026. At just 54 grams, it's one of the lightest wireless esports mice ever made, designed specifically for pro-level precision, speed, and endurance. The refined ambidextrous shape features a centered hump and flatter sides, giving claw and fingertip grip users an incredibly stable and controlled feel. Every curve of the mouse is engineered for consistent aim and fatigue-free play, even during multi-hour gaming marathons.
Performance is where the Viper V3 Pro truly dominates. Its Focus Pro 35K optical sensor delivers flawless tracking, ultra-fast response, and the ability to track accurately even on glass, a feature only a handful of premium mice can achieve. The included hyper-polling wireless dongle boosts the polling rate up to 8,000 Hz, giving near-zero input delay. For high-level competitive players, this responsiveness can be the difference between winning and losing tight duels. Razer's Gen 3 optical switches provide crisp, fast clicks with zero debounce issues and a long lifespan. The lightweight design, long battery life, and no-nonsense construction make this mouse a pure performance machine. No RGB, no gimmicks, just elite accuracy and competitive dominance. Best for competitive FPS players who want the fastest, most responsive lightweight mouse on the market. Downside, no RGB and a premium price tag, but the performance easily justifies the cost.
So there you have it, the top 3 best gaming mice of 2026, each designed to give you a serious edge in precision, speed, and competitive performance. Which one would you pick for your setup? The ultralight Viper V3 Pro, the customizable Chakram X, or the precision-focused Superlight 2? Drop your choice in the comments below. All Amazon links are listed in the description, so you can check current prices and deals anytime. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the latest tech reviews and gaming guides from Consumer Heaven. Thanks for watching, and game smarter, not harder.